Hey everyone, so in today's video I have a solution for a problem that I feel I've been asked about since I started doing YouTube videos. As you guys know, I am a hairdresser and a blonde and color specialist. So a lot of my questions from you guys are about how to maintain color, how to get to your goal color. So we know that there's a ton of products out there geared towards toning and maintaining blonde hair. There's never been a big variety of high quality products to tone and maintain like brown tones in the hair. And trust me when I say that I have tried basically everything out there that is meant to tone brown hair, to remove warmth and red tones from brown hair. And it's really hard to get something that A is gonna make your hair feel good, B is going to actually have enough pigmentation to actually tone, and lastly, a product that both smells good and is worth its price. And so I've started working with Overtone. As you guys know, I am super picky with brands and hair products that I work with. So of course it's not until I find something that I 100% would use myself that I'm going to introduce to you here on YouTube. So I am very proud to announce that I am working in collaboration with Overtone to show you these absolutely crazy rich, crazy pigmented coloring conditioner. So I have here these three different tones: the rich black, the honey brown, and the espresso brown. And let me just show you the rich black, the intense pigmentation. Look at that. That is rich. So when I received these in the mail, and I right away that night applied them to a thin strand on my doll head just because I wanted to see it. And you're actually meant to leave the mask on your hair for 15 minutes. And I probably was very impatient and left it like 3 minutes. And as soon as I rinsed the product out, the hair was colored and pigmented. And so that's why I was like, holy crap, this stuff is amazing. So it makes me super happy to finally bring my brunette audience a fun product that I'm actually genuinely really excited about. They also have their colorless mask, and basically this is just to add hydration and shine. It also smells incredibly clean and high quality. So I figured it would be more fun though to show you hands-on. We have Heather here to help me today, applying two different tones so you can see a clear before and after, and just like how rich these masks really are. So you'll see me both apply the color and just how quick and easy it really is to just get on the hair quickly. And then I will, of course, rinse her out and give her a nice blowout and then show you the results. So just to quickly go over not just the color tones, but who these colors are ideal for. So as you can see here, I have the honey brown coloring conditioner, and this is ideal for most blondes, whether you're like platinum blonde or even maybe a golden blonde. But your starting hair color should be lighter than the color that's in the mask, and that's how you're gonna get the full benefits of the tones in this tub. Next we have the espresso brown, and this one covers most hair colors. And then moving on to their darkest color, which is the richest black color conditioner. And because this is the darkest one, this one covers all hair colors. So whether you are platinum blonde to say a golden-ish kind of brown, this will definitely have you covered, literally and figuratively. All right, so let's get started. I'm just gonna be putting on some gloves because again, this stuff is super pigmented and you wanna tone the hair, not the hands. So we got our gloves on, so let's get started with the application. All right, so we have Heather here ready to go. And as you can see, she has more of a golden balayage on this side and a more matte, kind of darker brown on this side. All right, so on the lighter, more golden side, we are going to be using the honey brown. And on our darker side, I'm going to be using rich black. So starting on her lighter side, I am just going to dig in. Just actually going to grab a chunk from the back and start applying. And I'm just going to apply kind of from mid shafts to ends. And then with what I have kind of left over in my hands from that piece, work my way up. I think if you start working from the roots, it's going to be harder to kind of spread throughout. and this way we have good even coverage. And depending on your hair's thickness, obviously if your hair is thicker and more coarse, I would work in slightly smaller sections. The thinner your hair is, of course, the larger sections you can grab. And now on our darker side, we're going to be going in with rich black, which I'm super excited for because this is the super pigmented, their most pigmented color. Everything moves all too fast, but in the end, we'll be last. I'll let you stay forever. Alright guys, and we're done. So all I did was rinse her out and gave her a blowout. There's absolutely no product in the hair, and I didn't even want to curl it because I really wanted you guys to see the gloss that it's given the hair, and of course the color and tone. And so the honey brown that I did on this side, which it says that it can be applied to most blonde hair. So as you remember, she was balayage, so she did have a lot of brown in throughout. Still with it just being balayage, the amount of warmth and just like rich golden tones brought to the hair with just a mask is absolutely incredible. And of course, not to mention the rich black, which we did on this side. As you can tell, extremely pigmented, completely covered. She had kind of more balayaged pieces on this side too. But because this is their darkest color, it says that it covers all hair types. As you can tell, her hair before was not looking its best. And of course, this is a doll head, so her hair is never going to be as silky as, you know, human hair will be. But I'm pretty impressed at this beautiful shine and just how manageable and soft her hair feels. So whether you are just looking to maintain the gorgeous color you already have and you really just want to prevent that color from fading, these coloring conditioners are great for that. But also if you want to deepen your hair color, darken it, or really just completely change it up, this is definitely a great option to do that. And like I said, it is actually amazing for your hair. And so in just 10 to 15 minutes, you can have a completely different look, or you can just use it weekly to maintain the color that you have and already love. So Overtone's coloring conditioners are exclusively available at overtone.co, and they retail at about $29 each. So I hope that you are as excited about these coloring conditioners as I am. So if you do have any questions, do leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.